Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do some unboxing, or not unboxing, but with this Andersson, whose noise cancelling wireless headphone, Bluetooth. And we're gonna open it, and we have to have a scissor to do so here. So everyone. So now we got it. So we got some clarifications, some I don't know how good, user manual, so we got it right there. Then we got some charger and some some there. Then we get the headphones. So there you have it. Unboxing of this Andersson's headphones. I don't know which model, but I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe, like and share. Bye.